y'all raw. I'm gonna give it to y'all raw and start the video off just like this because girl, Miss Honey, get into this wig, y'all. Get into the hair on this wig. Oh my God. It's so amazing. Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you aren't familiar with me, my name is Carrington. I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but I am back and better than ever. As you read on the title of this video, I will be reviewing a raw Vietnamese wig vendor that I purchased a wig from. I ordered a 26-inch bone straight wig, and I'll show it to y'all again, just 1 second. So this is the 26-inch Vietnamese closure wig that I ordered. Y'all, honestly, I get so excited when I'm talking about hair, when I buy hair, when I go in the beauty supply store, when I buy all things beauty. I'm just so obsessed. Like, it's so bomb. Look at this. Look at this wig, y'all. It is full from the root to the tip. I didn't experience any shedding, but make sure you watch the video fully through because I will be showing y'all me bleaching the hair, curling the hair, and washing it, just so that you can see the full quality of the hair. I'm not getting any shedding from this wig whatsoever. There's no hair on my comb. The wig does have an elastic band on the inside, as well as these two adjustable straps, which I love. I ordered this wig in a size small because I have a really tiny head. So when you are ordering a wig and you want to get the right size, you have to really be particular because that can make or break your install. If your wig is too big, it'll look very bulky. It'll look so unnatural. So make sure when you are even like ordering your samples, make sure you're measuring your head and make sure you're getting the right size because you want your shit to be laid like this. No shade, no tea. So this is the inside of the wig. It is sewn very well. I was kind of nervous when I purchased the wig because sometimes when you see those videos that they send you, it's not the same thing as the hair that they send you. So I was kind of nervous, but when I got the wig, I was so excited because it really was well constructed. The lace was amazing. The knots are not like huge, they're small. It's just really amazing quality. This is HD lace, and you always know that is HD lace when it has those ridges at the bottom. So on the wig, it still has a tag on it that says 5 by, let me see. It says 5 by 5. Let me see if I can get it to zoom in. I don't know if I can, but it says 5 by 5 HD lace 26-inch. This wig smells so amazing. I literally asked them like, yo, what did y'all use to wash the wig? Because it smells so good. It doesn't have like that corn chip smell or like that factory smell. So I really appreciate and love that. That's just like, that's like if the hair doesn't smell good, that's like a no for me because who wants to be walking around smelling like corn chips? Not me, girl. And who wants to be at the club and you walk past and your hair is smelling like who did it and why? So that is very important to me when I'm ordering hair. Like, what does it smell like? Does it smell amazing? Does it smell like corn chips? Does it smell like a factory? So yeah, this wig smells amazing. So when I first purchased the wig, it did come packaged in this plastic bag. And it's just a little plastic bag with a zipper. Like I said, I did order bundles and a wig as well, but the wig came in this packaging. All the hair came in a FedEx bag, but the wig particularly came in this plastic bag. Okay, so for the bundles and the closure, it came in these plastic bags. Most vendors do send the hair in these type of bags. So I'm just gonna take it out of the pack. I ordered 26-inch natural wavy, and this is how it looks. Amazing quality. full from root to tip, girl. Because you know we don't do thin shabundles around here. No ma'am, no ham. No ma'am, we're giving rich and exclusive, honey. No thin, no thin. So yeah, this is the 26-inch bundle. I'm 5'2", so the bundle I'll stand up. I am 5'2", and this hair that I currently have in is like, I don't even know. I'm just like to my butt, right above my butt. So this is all 3 bundles, 26 inches. It's very bouncy, very full. It's not shedding. I'm running my hands through it. It's just really, 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 really bomb. And I've been doing hair for a long time, and I've also been installing hair on myself for a very long time. So most of the times when I order from a vendor, I can already tell off a jump if the hair is gonna be amazing. And this right here, Miss Mama's, bomb. With these 26-inch bundles, I did order a closure to go with this as well. So I'm gonna be showing y'all the closure. And everything, all the bags were labeled, but I took it off because it had the company name on it. So yeah. This is a HD lace closure. It's very nice. I believe this is a 20-inch closure, if I'm not mistaken. Almost positive it's a 20-inch closure, but very, very beautiful. And you will always know that it is HD lace, babes, by the ridges at the bottom of the closure. Ridges, ridges, ridges. That's how you know it's HD lace. There are some short hairs in here, but that is to be expected for me. Even when I get hair from like other hair companies, it's like you can't really get away from the short hairs in the closure, which is fine for me. It's not like a whole bunch. It's just like a few. So yeah, this is the closure. And I'm gonna be making this into a wig. Let me know if y'all want me to make like a video of me making the bundles into a wig, because I can do that. I could do that. I could do that for y'all. But yes, this is the bundles and this is the closure. Just like the wig, it smells super amazing. It literally smells like Febreze or some, I don't know what that is. I don't know what they use. I asked them, but they just said it was something that they have over in Vietnam, but it honestly smells so, so bomb. Excuse me for reading off my phone. I just want to make sure that I'm giving y'all the correct information when it comes to payment methods. So they accept PayPal, Western Union, MoneyGram, bank transfer, and when you use PayPal, they do add like a percentage on there, because you know PayPal takes a percentage when you send and receive money. So they do add that percentage in there, which is fine for me, because sometimes with like MoneyGram and Western Union, it could just be a lot for me. So I'd rather just like use PayPal. You feel me? PayPal. What else? They do offer drop shipping. So if you aren't in a position to like buy a whole bunch of wigs or buy a whole bunch of bundles, you can just like begin by doing drop shipping. And that's okay too, because it's not always easy to start, but it is a way for you to start somehow. So I would definitely recommend trying drop shipping. If you feel like, you know, I don't know if I want to buy a whole bulk of hair, let me just try drop shipping. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I will be selling this vendor, so if you are interested in purchasing, you can go ahead and click the link below. I'm always interested in helping other women prosper, helping other women start their business. So I really have been taking the time to like order hair from different vendors, just do research and just be able to provide other people with information, because if you aren't familiar with me, I do work with a lot of celebrities. I work on a lot of commercials. I work on a lot of brand sets here in LA. So I just want to be able to spread information to other women on how to be successful and how to become a boss and how to just be financially free and how to just be fucking amazing, to be honest. So yeah, if y'all wanted me to do a video on how I got into the hair industry here in LA, I would be more than happy to do so. I work with so many people. I work with Sweetie, I work with Yar Shahidi, I work with Solange. I did a music video with Beyonce. I literally just met Taraji P. Henson. It's just been a lot of amazing changes and amazing things happening. And if I can ever like share information or share knowledge, or just like be that person where people come and feel like, damn, I'm really receiving something so amazing and so beneficial, I would love to be that person. So let me know if you want me to make those type of videos too. But yeah, I really appreciate everybody watching this video. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.